5 Best All-in-One Printers 2019. HP DeskJet 2130 All-in-One Printer. If you think the HP Envy 5540 is cheap, then you'll be really impressed with the price of the HP DeskJet 2130 All-in-One Printer. If you only need to occasionally print, scan and photocopy documents, then this is a great choice for saving money. However, as it is so cheap, it does mean you have to make some sacrifices, so there's no wireless printing or Ethernet. Epson Workforce Pro WF4630 Printer. The Workforce Pro WF4630 is a solid all-in-one printer for small businesses and work groups given its fast print speeds, solid print qualities and remote printing and scanning capabilities. Using the larger XL print cartridges, the WF4630 HP Envy 5540 All. The HP Envy 5540 all-in-one printer offers printing, scanning and photo printing, supports not just USB but Wi-Fi, wireless direct and AirPrint wireless printing, and it even offers automatic double-sided printing. Considering that the HP Envy 5540 all-in-one printer has a price tag that is quite a bit lower than many of its competitors, Canon PIXMA TS9120 printer. The is an excellent all-in-one printer for many businesses, thanks to its compact size, which means it can easily be placed in the majority of offices. It's also Wi-Fi enabled, which makes choosing a spot to place it even easier. It does a great job of printing. Epson Ecotank ET-3600 print. The Epson Ecotank ET-3600 is our top choice for the best all-in-one printer, as it can handle printing, scanning and copying with ease, and it's also very reasonably priced. However, best of all, it is cheap to run, thanks to its use of ink bottles, rather than cartridges, which last longer and are cheaper to buy. Epson claims the Ecotank ET-3600 can save you around 70% on printing costs, and combined with its 3-in-1 capabilities, this makes it a must-buy for many businesses.